Hello, my students. How are you? Today we'll explain your lesson. Talk about the median. Look at with me here, like this triangle. If we draw a triangle, a line segment joined between the vertex and the midpoint of the sides, we call this the median. Then the median is the line segment joined between the vertex and the midpoint of the opposite side. Look at with me. Look at with me about this question. We'll publish this questions about this lesson. First question: what is the number of medians of an obtuse triangle? We know any triangle has three sides, three vertex, and also three medians. What is a median? Median is a line segment joined between the vertex and the opposite line segment, midpoint of it, like this. Look at with me. Any triangle has three medians. This triangle, obtuse. We called it obtuse triangle because the measure of angle of the vertex greater than 90 and less than 180. We called it obtuse triangle. Then, any triangle has three medians. First median here, 1, and this seconds, 2, and 3. They are intersection at one point. We call the centroid point. Then any triangle has three medians. Obtuse or acute or right angle triangle, we have three medians. Next question, number 2. If YD is the median of triangle XYZ and M is the centroid of the triangle, then MD equal what of YM? What's the ratio between MD and YM? We will draw here like this triangle X, Y, and Z, and he give me YD is the median like this. Draw from vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. YD is the median, and M is the centroid point. M lies here. We called it centroid point. This centroid point divided the median two parts. The ratio will be 2 to 1 from vertex to the base. He won't find the ratio between MD and YM. Look at here, MD, one part, and YM, two parts. The result will be 1 over 2. Then MD half of Y of M. The ratio between MD and YM, it will be 1 over 2. Then MD half of YM, okay? You know the median? YD is the median. And M centroid point. Next question. If M is the centroid of triangle ABC and BD is median, what is the ratio between BD and MD? Okay, we can draw here a triangle like this and draw the median. M is centroid point and BD is the median like this. BD is the median. We have triangle ABC. Okay, this triangle ABC and D the midpoint of EC because BD is the median. And M is centroid point. We have M here lies in this part. Divided the ratio from vertex to base 2 to 1. And the ratio between BD, we can write here, BD, look at here, B to D, 2 plus 1 equals 3. So the length BD 3 parts. And MD, it will be 1. The result will be 3 over 1, 3 to 1. The ratio will be 3 to 1. Okay, MD, 1 part. And BD, 2 plus 1 equals 3. The ratio will be 3 to 1. Okay, next question. If ED is the median of triangle ABC and M is the centroid point, then the ratio between ED and AM. I will draw a triangle here like this information. We have triangle ABC and ED is the median. We have AD is the median. Median line segment joined between the vertex and the midpoint of the opposite side. And this triangle we called it ABC. ABC. Now he won't find the ratio between what? He give me also M is the centered point here. We have M like this. He won't find the ratio between AD and And what? Look at here. AD, look at here. I will write 2 and 1. Then ED, we have 3 parts. 2 plus 1 equals 3. And AM, from A to M, 2 parts. Then the ratio will be 3 over 2. 3 over 2. Choose letter D. Okay, my students, understood? The ratio here will be 3 over 2, letter D. Next question. Question number 5. If M is centered, M here is centered of triangle ABC. We have triangle like this. I will draw a triangle like this, ABC. And M is the centroid of triangle ABC. D is the midpoint of BC. Look at here, D here lies in the midpoint of CB. Then ED equal, if we draw AD and he gives this information, M is the centroid point also. Look at here, we have M like here, the centroid point. We know the ratio between EM to MD, it will be 2 to 1 because the centroid point divided the median 2 parts. The ratio between together 2 to 1 from vertex to the base. Okay, now he asked here, what is the answer will be correct? We know AD, not 2 parts of AM. ED will be 3 parts. ED from A to B, 2 plus 1 equals 3. Then you must choose the ratio between ED and AM. ED 3 parts, 2 plus 1, 3, and EM from A to M 2 parts. Choose letter C, C over 2 EM. Now next question number 6 here. If triangle ABC is a right angle triangle at P, and D is the midpoint of AC, then BD equal. Now also here I will draw a triangle about this example, okay? I will draw a triangle like this here. This triangle ABC, right angle triangle at B, it's right angle triangle. Like this. I solve now question number 6, okay? We have ABC, right angle triangle at B. And D is the midpoint of AC. D here lies in the midpoint. Then BD equal, he won't find BD, the median. The median, a right angle triangle, half of hypotenuse. BD, half of AC. BD, half of AC. Okay, the length of the median, a right angle triangle, it will be half of the hypotenuse. Okay, my students, the result will be letter A. Next question here. If ED is the median of triangle ABC, we have here median. Okay, AD is the median. In triangle ABC like this, we have triangle ABC. AD is the median of this triangle like this. AD is the median. It has length of 9 centimeter. He give me AD was 9 centimeter. AD is the median and ED 9 centimeter. And M is the centroid of triangle. M here lies in this part, is the centroid point. We know centroid point divided the median by 2 parts from base to vertex 1 to 2, on vertex to base 2 to 1. He won't find the length of DM. DM. Low, we know DM equal half of EM. He give me here ED and also DM, the ratio between EM and AD, because he give me the example ED. He give me here ED. The ratio between EM and ED, who can tell me? EM 2 parts and ED from A to D 2 plus 1 3 parts. Then the result will be 2 over 3, 2/3. 2/3 ED. It's meaning what's the length of ED? 9. 9 times 2 over 3. Then DM equal 2 over 3 product by 9. 9 divided by 3, 6. 3 times 2 equals 6. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. 3 times 2 equals 6 centimeter. And the length here will be 6 centimeter. About DM. Or you can solve the example by another method, like this. Look at here, we have 9 centimeter. 9 centimeter. We can divide it 9 by 3. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. Then in the base, we can write here 3 centimeter and 3 plus 3 equals 6. You can solve the example by this method directly, okay? Without doing anything. You must think to answer When he give you in the examples the length of the median, you must divide the length of the median by 3. Divide it to 3 parts. Okay, after dividing 3 parts, the base will take 1 part. And the part to the vertex take 2 parts. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Okay, you can use this method directly by knowing the length of the median. 9 divided by 3 equals 3, then the length in the base 3, 3 plus 3 equals 6. Choose letter C. Next question. Look at here, in the given figure, we have figure here, ABC. He gave me this 3 centimeter and G is centroid point. Then the length of GC twice 6 is 3 equals 6 centimeter. It will be 6 centimeter. And he give us GD 4 centimeters, then AG twice to GT. It will be 8 centimeter. We have 8 and 6. What's the following correct? He asked about EG 6. No, it will be 8. And what about CG 8 centimeter or not? G 8, no. CE 9 centimeter, from C to E 6 plus C 9. It's correct. Choose letter C. And EG 8, not 12. Okay, then the answer will be letter C. Next question down here. Okay, next question. Look at here, number 9. In the given figure, AD is the median, and in triangle ABC, what is the length of BC? You won't find the length of BC. We have median. It's meaning D is the midpoint of BC. D here lies in the midpoint. Okay. Then 3x plus 8 equals 7x. We can move 3x subtracted from 7x equal 4x. 4x equal 8. Then the value of x equal 8 divided by 4 equal 2. Then the length here 2 times 7 equal 14 centimeter, and this also equal 14 centimeters. They are equivalent. Then BC 14 plus 14 equal 28. And next question here. He gave me G is the centroid point of the median. Then CG will be half of GB. GB the twice of 2. Twice of 2 equal 4 centimeters. This leads to 4. So the length BD will be 4 plus 2, 6. And BD is the median right angle triangle. Then BD half of AC. Then the length of EC here, it will be twice of the length 6. Twice 6. Twice BD. BD 6. 2 times 6 equal 12. Then EC will be 12 centimeter. He asked about EC, it will be 12 centimeter. Next question, number 11. In the given figure here, he give also, we have 2 medians, intersection 1 point. Then G here, it will be the centroid point. We called it the centroid point in this triangle. He give me CG was 12. Look at here, CG, from C to G, it will be what? 12 centimeters. This line segment 12 centimeter. And EE 15 centimeter. AE, look at here, from A to E, 15. We can divide it 15 by 3. Look at here, 15 divided by 3 equal 5. Then start in the down 5 and up 10. 10 plus 5 is 15, okay? The median 15 divided by 3, 15 divided by 3, 5. 5 means from base, and vertex 5 plus 5, 10. And also EC was 20. From E to C, look at here, AC 20. AC 20. Again, we have CG was 12, from C to G 12 centimeter, and EE 15, 15 equal 5 plus 10, 5 and 10, and EC 20 from A to C 20 centimeter, okay? What is the parameter of triangle GEF? He wants to find the parameter about this triangle. The parameter is meaning summation 3 sides here. We can add CG plus EF. Okay, EF half of EC. EC was 12. Half of 12 equals 6 centimeters. Then this side segment, it will be 6. And CG was 12. Then this line segment here will be 6. Because GF half of CG. And we write here 5. Because 5 plus 10 is 15. Then the parameter 6 plus 6 plus 5. 6 plus 6 plus 5. 6 plus 6, 12 plus 5 is 17 centimeter. we have 6. Uh, okay, again. This line segment 20. AC 20, not 12. Sorry, AC was 20. This 20. In the line segment EF here we call that the mid segment. The mid segment here, length of EF half of 20 equal 10 centimeter. And we found the line segment here 5, and CG was 12. Half of 12 is 6. Then we can write 10 plus 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 10 equal 21. Then the length will be 21 centimeters parameter of this triangle. And next question here we have EF. Look at here. EF is the mid segment. The length of EF, it will be half of the opposite side. Half of 20, it will be 10 centimeters. This line segment here will be what? 10 centimeter. And with me about this question. Okay, my students, next question. Look at here. EF mid segment. The length of EF half of 20, it will be 10 centimeter. And look at here. We have right angle triangle here. AD perpendicular to DB, then the length of DF here is the median. You know, this part we called it the median. Look at here, it's the median. The median of right angle triangle, half of hypotenuse. EB is the hypotenuse. Half of 16 equal 8 centimeters. In the line segment here, it will be 8 centimeter. And DE, we called it the median in right angle triangle here. Median. The median half of 18 is 9 centimeters. In the parameter, we write 10 plus 8 plus 9. 10 plus 8 equal 18 plus 9 equal 27 centimeter. Understood? This line segment 9 centimeter, half of 18, because this is the median right angle triangle, and here also median right angle triangle. And EF, we call it mid segment, lies between 2 points in the medians of right angle of this triangle. Okay. Next question. Look at here. If ED equal 18 centimeter, think with me here. We have ED was where BD? BD is the median. Okay. And the length of BD was 18. Then 18 we must divide it by 3 parts. Okay. 18 divided by 3 equals 6. So the length of the part 18 divided by 3 equals 6 here. You can write 6 the length of this part. Can you see? Okay, see, pay attention with me here, okay? BD was 18 centimeter. 18 divided by 3 equals 6. Then the length here will be 6, and here twice it will be 12. I will divide it 18 by 3 equals 6. From part to the base will be 6. 6 plus 12 equal 18. Twice of 6, 12. And EC was 15. EC, look at here. EC is the median also. 15, we can divide it 15 by 3 equal 5. Then the length of zone base will be 5. And from to vertex, 5 plus 5 equal 10. 10 centimeter MC. And BC 12. BC here was 12 centimeters. Then ED will be half of 12. It will be 6 centimeter because ED we called it line segment or mid. We have DE is the mid segment. The mid segment draw between half of 2 medians or midpoint of 2 sides. It will be opposite the third, and the length of this line segment half of the third. It will be 6. So the parameter, you want to find the parameter of triangle EMD. EMD, we can collect 6 plus 5 plus 6. 6 plus 6, 12, plus 5 is 17. The parameter will be 17 centimeter. And next question. We have here, this question come in the main book about your school, okay? In the opposite figure, we have triangle ABC here. Look at here, K is the midpoint in this triangle AFE. Then the length of KJ half of AK, it will be 8 centimeter, okay? And I speak about the first triangle here, AFE. Look at here, at EFE, K is the midpoint, or the centroid. K is the centroid of this triangle. Then the length here will be what? 4 plus 8 equals 12. If I draw here triangle, the biggest triangle ABC, And look at here, G is the centroid point in the biggest triangle. And we found 8 plus 4 equal 12. EG was 12 centimeter. From A to G, 12 centimeter. We know CG is this part half of AG. Half of 12 is 6 centimeter. Then GD equal 6 centimeter. The length of GD equal 6 centimeter. Understood? Okay. Okay, we finish, my students. Inshallah, we complete next lesson. Inshallah, explain isosceles triangle in the future. Okay, understood? You must study hard this lesson. Okay, goodbye.